In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to add an expense in Xero the right way so your bookkeeping stays clean, accurate, and up-to-date. Whether you're tracking daily coffee meetings, travel costs, software subscriptions, or general business purchases, knowing how to correctly record an expense in Xero is essential. I'll walk you through the exact process from start to finish. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Xero tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top menu and click on Accounting. From the drop-down menu, select Bank Accounts. This is where you'll see all the bank and credit card accounts connected to your Xero organization. Next, find the bank account or credit card that you used to make the purchase. On that account, click the Manage Account button. A small menu will appear. From this menu, select Spend Money. This is the option you use when your business has paid for something and you need to record the expense. Now you'll be on the Spend Money transaction screen. The first field you'll see is the To field. This is where you enter the vendor or supplier name. For example, if you bought coffee for a client meeting, you could type Starbucks. If the contact already exists in Xero, it will appear in the dropdown, and you can simply select it. If it doesn't exist yet, you can create it directly from here. Next, move to the Description field. This is where you briefly explain what the expense was for. For example, you could type client meeting, or office supplies, or business lunch. Try to keep your descriptions clear and consistent, because this will help when reviewing reports later. Now go to the quantity and unit price fields. In most simple expense cases, you'll enter 1 for the quantity, and then enter the full total amount of the purchase as the unit price. For example, if the total was $45, enter 1 as the quantity and 45 as the price. Xero will automatically calculate the total for you. After that, select the correct account. This is very important because it determines how the expense is categorized in your financial reports. Click the Account dropdown and choose the appropriate expense account. For example, you might choose 400 Travel if it's a travel-related expense, or General Expenses if it's something more miscellaneous. Always make sure you're selecting the correct category so your profit and loss statement remains accurate. If your organization uses tax rates, double-check that the correct tax rate is applied. Xero usually autofills this based on the account, but it's always good practice to confirm. Once everything looks correct, review the details one more time. Check the vendor name, description, amount, and account category. When you're satisfied, click Save. And that's it. You've successfully added an expense in Xero. Recording expenses properly and consistently ensures your bank reconciliation is smoother and your reports are accurate at tax time. Make it a habit to enter expenses regularly instead of waiting until the end of the month. If this tutorial helped you understand how to add an expense in Xero, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Xero guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.